tips on buying a tire, a car tire, or a motorcycle tire. Please pay attention to this, guys. This is the this is the DOT, or date of trading, and this is the manufacture date. It means 01, 0124. 01 is the first two digit of our tire is the week. It means first week of year 2024. Guys, you see 0124. These two numbers here indicates the weeks, and this is the other last two digit of our tire is the year manufactured. This is the first week. It is January 2024 manufactured. Okay, then plus 5 years. This will expire in 5 years. Means this will expire on 2029. And the other tire is manufactured on 08, means 8 weeks of year 2020. That means in last 8 weeks, so it means in February, last week of February, then year 2020. Okay, this is the date of trading. Okay, the other tire, the date of trade, this is the first digit is the 7, which is means 07, the first week of March. No, it's February 2024. 07 and February 2024. And this will expire in February 2029, plus 5 years. Okay, in this case, this tire is already or almost expired. Okay. Yeah, it's expired. It means even if it's flat, this is the symptoms. When your tire is always getting flatter, this tire is already expired. This is the symptoms. Please pay attention to this, guys. This is manufactured on February. First two is the 7 weeks of year 2020. It means this tire manufactured on 3rd weeks of February year 2020, and will expire on February 2025. So this day is April 10. It is already expired. Don't buy if you can read this. This is the date of trading, and you can see the manufacture date. Remember all this, guys. Okay, let's try in motorcycle. In this motorcycle, this is the tire, date of trade, date of trade, and this is the 12 weeks. Presto is the 12 weeks, and year 2024 it is manufactured, plus 5 years. It will expire on 12 weeks in 2029. This tire, which indicates a very good. Okay, remember always, guys, it is manufactured in 12 weeks. So it was manufactured on March 2024 and will expire on March 2029. Okay, okay, remember always, guys, that if we have knowledge, we have power. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye bye. God bless us all.